Hi, this is Erin from What Would the Neighbors Think? It's the place where women learn how to build wardrobes that make them shine. And we're talking handbags today. The right handbag really can make the outfit. And at a minimum, you need three. You need a daily workhorse, a weekender, and an out-on-the-towner. Now, each of these bags has a specific job, and the one can't do the job of the other. You're going to see what I mean soon. Let's start with the daily workhorses. This is a practical handbag with the integrity to withstand a lot of use. It's your main bag. You're looking for quality that lasts, so buy the best you can afford. A classic design is well worth an investment because it won't go out of style. You want it to be big enough to carry what you need, whether that's a laptop or even a baggie of Cheerios for the kids. But no matter what your price range, there are a few timeless styles to consider in this category. Now, in my 14-minute video on buying the right handbag, which I'll link below, I also cover the hobo and the shoulder bag. But for the short answer, if I had to choose just one workhorse, it would be the satchel. This one by Kate Spade ticks all the boxes beautifully. It's very well made of quality leather, and its timeless design is available in 3 different sizes. It's understated elegance. I've posted the shopping links below. And now the weekenders. These are the purses you use for more casual occasions. They don't necessarily need to be as substantial as the workhorses, but you'll still need to frequently use them for hands-free outings like shopping and other weekend fun. Crossbody bags covered in the other video are fantastic, but nothing beats the convenient roominess of a tote bag. This style by Tory Burch is one of my favorites. Made of lightweight pebbled leather, it has a center zip pocket to help keep things organized. The style's classic and the quality is excellent. Not to mention, I really like the pop of color the hang tag adds. The out-on-the-towners. Now, these are the bags you use when you're dressed up and you just need to carry a few things. The workhorses and the weekenders are just too bulky or casual for these occasions and for these outfits. A clutch is small enough that you can go all out with fun designs. Think of it as decorative jewelry for your outfit. I love the pop of leopard print this one by Claire V offers. You can find the shopping links to all the bags I'm showing you below. And for more formal occasions, go for shine and sparkle. I've found that the company Nina offers a variety of sophisticated styles at very convincing look for less prices. Many of them come with hidden straps, so you can put them around your wrist or over your shoulder. So that's a minimum of 3 handbags for your wardrobe. There's a related post to where I've given you more choices to the best bags in each category. All the shopping links are there, so you'll be quickly connected to what you love. You'll find the link to it below. If you'd like to learn more, watch my other handbag video linked below. I discuss other types of handbags in each of the 3 categories, as well as travel bags, beach bags, diaper bags, and more. You'll learn what to look for when purchasing any handbag and how to find the look for less.